That's what I thought. Oh, hello. My name's Adam. I'm a movie producer. And today I want to talk to you about something called globals. So globals are one of the hallmarks of a professional line producer. This is kind of what separates the wheat from the chaff in terms of making budgets. If you're not using globals, you're not really making budgets right. They're essentially codes that you enter into your budget that represent a number that then gets populated everywhere you enter that code throughout the budget. Common example would be the amount of shoot days you plan on shooting for your movie. You're going to do 20 days. You type in a code such as SD for shoot days, and that equals 20. And then instead of typing in 20 days for your DP, you just type in SD for all of them. And that way, when someone calls and says, hey, what would it cost if we shot it in 18 days instead? You just change the global, and it populates throughout the whole budget at the click of a button. I can answer them in seconds if I use globals. If I don't, it's going to take me hours. Nobody's got hours. They want to know right away. You can also put in globals for your labor rates, and it helps to kind of keep things even across the board. All your first assistants on the same labor rate. All your PAs on the same labor rate, which is a nice way to approach things when you have a low budget movie. But then again, you're always trying to back into a number. You didn't necessarily hit it. You did your first run through the budget, say, well, this is what it really ought to cost. But that's not what the movie's worth on the marketplace today, so you got to bring it down. And you play around with the things that you've put into your globals until you get to a place that you're comfortable with. Globals and all the other best budgeting tools are available in the Periscope budgeting app. Check it out. It's very good. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to get back to reading The Sound of Music 2, starring Machine Gun Kelly. He was her father all along. Globals are the hallmark of a professional producer when it comes to movie budgeting. What's the line again? So globals and all the other... Oh, no.